Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic messages in WhatsApp on your computer. First, log into WhatsApp Business on your phone. If you do not have it, install WhatsApp Business from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and sign in with your phone number. After logging in, enable automatic messages on your phone. Open WhatsApp Business and go to Business Tools and select Away Message or Greeting Message. Turn the option on and type the message you want people to receive automatically. Choose when the message should be sent, then save the settings. Once this is done, auto reply is now enabled on your WhatsApp Business account. Next, open the computer where you want to use WhatsApp. Open a browser and go to WhatsApp Web or open the WhatsApp Desktop app. A QR code will appear on the screen. Go back to your phone and open WhatsApp Business. Tap the three dots and select Link Devices. Tap on Link a Device and scan the QR code shown on your computer. After logging in with the same WhatsApp Business account, the automatic message feature will already be active. You do not need to set it up again on the computer. Any messages received on WhatsApp Web or the desktop app will use the auto reply you enabled on your phone. This is how you enable automatic messages on WhatsApp computer. Thanks for watching.